Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if is not charging on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, check your charger and power cable. After check charger and cable, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this icon. Again tap on this icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery and here showing you fast charging. Enable fast charging and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter your phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if is not charging on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.